Good morning, dear students. Welcome back again with the next session of the lesson number 8, Useful and Harmful Microbes. In the previous class, we have said about the useful microbes. Now we'll be discussing about the harmful microbes. Last time we have discussed about useful microbes like lactobacilli, rhizobium, yeast, and penicillium. Now, harmful microbes. Among them, one was fungi. Now, how it is harmful to us? Microscopic spores of fungi are present in the air. If there is sufficient moisture, nami, water molecules are there. Sufficient moisture, spore germinate on cotton, fabric, gunny bags, leather, wooden item, etc. So a little amount of moisture is sufficient for the growth of this fungi. The fungal hypha penetrate. Hypha, you can call it as just like stem of the plant. Same way, for the fungi, hypha is just like that only. That is substratum or basal part of the fungi. The fungal hypha penetrate deep into the material to obtain nutrition and to reproduce. So moisture is the important requirement for the reproduction as well as for the nutrition. This causes the material to wear and become weak. As a result, gunny bag, leather items like shoes, purse, belts, etc., on which fungi have grown do not last long. Wooden item also gets spoiled. So if we are not taking proper care of such things, then within a little moisture on these items, it can get spoiled very soon. Various species of fungi grown on food items like pickles, murabba, jam, sauce, chutney, etc. These they are nutrients in these food items for growth and reproduction. So wherever moisture is there, a food contain moisture, there fungi can grow very fast. So the whatever food item was mentioned, in that the content of moisture is more, and therefore these fungi can grow easily on these food items. During this activity, fungi release mycotoxin. Now you have to be very careful. These are harmful compounds. During this activity, fungi release mycotoxins, certain poisonous chemicals into the food, and thus food becomes poisonous. Hence, the food on which fungi have grown cannot be eaten. So, you have to be careful while preserving the food. Either it should be preserved in a very high temperature or in a very low temperature where fungi cannot survive. And a little moisture is sufficient. Now, summer season or in the hot season, a little amount of moisture is sufficient for the growth of the fungi. Another harmful microorganisms, Clostridium. The bacteria which spoil cooked food are Clostridium. Out of about 100 different species of these bacterium, some are free living in the soil, whereas some live in the alimentary canal of the humans and the other animals. So Clostridium are found in the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, a path from mouth till anus. This is full called as alimentary canal. In this path, you can find out this Clostridium. So they are very harmful. These bacteria are rod-shaped and produce bottle-shaped endospores in adverse conditions. One special characteristic of these bacteria is that they cannot withstand the normal oxygen level in the air because they grow in anaerobic condition. Implies that If excess of oxygen is there, these bacteria will die because they survive only in a anaerobic condition. Anaerobic condition implies where oxygen is very less or meager or not there. So these bacteria and fungi, they are called as anaerobic microorganisms. Anaerobic implies which consumes or which does not take oxygen or which does not require oxygen for respiration. Other kind of microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and protozoa and fungi are also responsible for different diseases that affects the humans. Thus, we have completed this lesson. That's all for today. Have a great day.